Welcome to Jongik's channel. This video features one of Germany's historic old town. This town is known as Stolberg. It is actually located in the mountains and known for its many beautiful half-timbered houses. I hope that you're going to like this video.
Once you get off at Berga Kelbra station, you need to wait for the bus 450 to Stolberg. The road to Stolberg is really well maintained. The surroundings are very scenic. It is a small community not far away in the mountains. Along the way, you will pass a long uphill road with the caving trees until you get to their bus station. Actually, Stolberg used to have a train station, but it was discontinued in 2011 due to low utilization. So, the only way to get to the place is by bus. As you can see, the place is surrounded by mountains. You can really appreciate how beautiful its location. Near their bus station is a playground. There is a single cherry tree there, and it was blooming during the day I visited the place. So when I saw the zip line, I didn't miss to play either. So I tried it, and I was really very happy, and I enjoyed the amenity of the place. So I started walking, and as I continued to explore the area, I was amazed on how the houses are being made and its design. Actually, the houses in the area are known as half-timbered houses. I have been to so many places in Germany, and I have witnessed this really beautiful and nice to look at houses. And I also observed that the place is quite small, so the road is in between the houses, and it has a small walkway for people, but you need to be extra careful when you are walking on the road so as not to be hit by a car. And according to a regular resident of the area, there are more than 1,000 people living in the place. So even though the area is small, they have a beautiful, clean, orderly, quiet, and close to the forest and mountain community. Stolberg is also known as historic European city and famous Münster town in the northwest of the municipality, embedded in a picture book landscape. A recognized climatic health resort for years, the colorful half-timber town is also called the Pearl of the Southern Harz. It offers the visitor healthy air, rest, and relaxation in the middle of quiet, wide forest. The exact founding of the place is not documented, but a chronicle mentions that mining was already taking place in the Stolberg area in 794, and this has a significant influence on the founding of the place. The syllable Stol is derived from the word Stahal, meaning hard, while the name ending Berg suggests a Franconian origin. This is Stolberg Rathaus, or Town Hall in English, from 1454, is an architectural curiosity because it has no internal stairs. The only access to the upper stories is by an external flight of steps that also leads up to St. Martin's Church. This is the St. Martin's Church. It is actually a late Gothic church where Martin Luther preached on 21 April 1525 against the peasants' revolt. The restoration of this three-aisled basilica from the 13th century is very expensive thanks to its hillside location. Here too, the German Foundation for Monument Conservation is involved alongside with other donors. I believe that Stolberg is not just an ordinary community because in the place you will find a huge castle. It stands on the hill that drops steeply on three sides. The oldest part of the castle, its round tower, dates around 1200, although its most recent elements were built in the Renaissance style between 1539 and 1547. In the southeast wing is the classicist Great Reception Room and the Red Hall, designed by Carl Friedrich Schinkel. The castle owes its present appearance to remodeling work carried out between 1690 and 1700. Until they were dispossessed in 1945, the castle was owned by the family of the Prince of Stolberg. At present, it is being comprehensively restored and renovated by the German Foundation for Monument Conservation. There are actually hotels that you can find, or if you wish to stay within the area for a night or two or for days. And there are actually also museums for the display, and you can also know more about the history of the place. And there are also many restaurants to choose from. The place is really relaxing. The air is super fresh because we are in between the mountains and in this forest that surrounds the community. There are also a place to where you can hike or do trekking. You just have to be careful and take risk on your own. So if you also have motorcycles, you can also use this to tour around the mountains. And the road here is really very safe, and it's good to tour around using your bikes. There are a lot of people and groups of people who use their bikes to tour around the place. It is April 30 during my visit, and I was wondering why there are so many witches on display in front of the houses. They are actually celebrating Walpurgis festival. It is in commemoration of Saint Walpurga, who was hailed by the Christians of Germany for battling pests, rabies, and whooping cough, as well as against witchcraft.
So how did you find this video? I hope this contains enough information that you will need for your future travel to the place. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is really full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. And to those of you who haven't subscribed to this channel yet, kindly click on the subscribe button below. I really thank you for your utmost support to this channel. Until my next travel, this is Jomic's channel. Cheers!